3 text messages that no man can resist. Sending a text message can become a real headache when it comes to the person we like. And is that you have to think the right words so that men do not believe you are one of those crazy people who just want to get attention. It happens to all women, and once you hit enter there is no going back. That's why, so you do not suffer, we bring in the handsome Matthew Hussey, the guru of love from Get the Guy, who reveals the secrets to send a successful text message and achieve a successful conquest. 1. Give value to your words. Do not stay with a "Hey, what are you doing?" You're sending a message of "Hello, I'm bored, I am a boring person, help me have fun." If your intention is to break the ice, take advantage of the tools of your cell phone and send an image that reminds you of that person. 2. Remove question marks from your statements. These only show doubt and insecurity. If you ask, you open the possibility of rejection. It is better to be direct. It's better a "Hi, I have an event this weekend, you should come," to a "Hello, what will you do this weekend? Would you like to come?" 3. Keep your standards high. Use the power of the word to communicate your standards. Be firm with your words but flirt a little with some little emoji, so he does not think that you are too hard. Source: https://www.elcinco.mx. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to download my free ebooks. To learn more about 3 text messages that no man can resist, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.